Okay, so now that you know that timing your rest breaks and sticking to them is a tip that will improve your workouts tenfold, how long should your rest breaks be? The National Strength and Conditioning Association recommends the following. To increase strength and power, the best rest period is 2 to 5 minutes between sets. To increase hypertrophy, the best rest period is 30 to 90 seconds between sets. And to increase muscular endurance, the best rest period is 30 seconds or less between sets. Now these recommendations highlight that the duration of your rest breaks should be set according to your goals and what you are trying to achieve from your exercise program. Therefore, you must outline your goals and training objectives and set your rest breaks accordingly, which is my next tip. Making sure that you set your rest breaks according to your goals. Because while timing your rest breaks and sticking to them will improve your workout significantly, you must implement the correct rest breaks between sets and exercises to ensure they are most effective.